Welcome to English Seekho. Improve your vocabulary and learn new English words. School dialogue. The bell is ringing. Class is about to start. We should go inside. Let's hurry up. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, teacher. How are you today? We are good, thank you. I'm happy to hear that. It's so great to see you again. Excuse me, teacher. May I open the window? Certainly. It's very hot in the classroom today. Knock, knock. Come in. Good morning, teacher. I'm sorry I'm late. May I come in? Yes, please. You may go to your place. Thank you, teacher. Who can tell me what day is it today? Please raise your hand. Ans, please stand up. It's Monday. Very good. Sit down. What date is it, Kushi? It's January 24th. Speak louder, please. I can't hear you. It's January 24th. That's right. Did you do your homework? Yes, we did. Great. Let's check it. Please open your book to page 30. Let's read a text. Teacher, may I ask you a question? Yes, please. What does that word mean? Listen and repeat after me. Bear. Bear. I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? How do you spell it? B-E-A-R. Bear. Please write down. Excuse me, teacher. I don't have pencil. May I borrow one pencil from my classmate? Yes, you may. Once, please come to the blackboard. Please write the days of the week on the blackboard. Well done. You may go back to your place. Please be quiet. Stop talking and pay attention. What happened? What was that noise? I'm sorry, teacher. I dropped my water bottle. It's okay. Please pick it up. Who wants to clean the blackboard? I do. It's break time. Goodbye, student. Goodbye, teacher. What would you like to go outside in the schoolyard? Yeah, that is a very good idea. Let's go. I would rather have a snack. I am very famished. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. What about you? I really like math. It is so awesome. Break time is over. Let's go back into the classroom. What class is next? Sport. Do you like sport? Yes, I do, but I like dance more. What about you? Sport is okay, but my favorite class is geography. I enjoy traveling. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. It's lunchtime. Let's go to the cafeteria and have lunch. Yes, let's go. I'm starving. How's your lunch, Hans? It is delicious. I like pasta very much. What about yours? It is great. I have noodles. It smells terrific. The school is over. It's time to go home. Would you like to come over to my place in the afternoon and play soccer? Yes, I would love to. Great. Can't wait. See you later then.